Hi, welcome to another Top Modeling Jobs video. I'm your host, Stacy Sanchez, and today I'm going to talk about how to become a freelance model. So let's get started. Turning into your own boss. If you're a model who hasn't been signed to a modeling firm yet, or if you are a person who enjoys to be your own boss, then freelance modeling could possibly be the way for you. You'll be, in essence, representing yourself, responsible for acquiring your unique work and building up your own portfolio. Marketing yourself is one process you will have to do. Different tasks involve instructing yourself relating to all the things in a modeling world, conserving your resume refreshed, and much more. As you might find, it will take a good deal of work, and that's the price of versatility when you end up being a freelance model. But by the end, the effort worth it. It's all on the subject of gaining your first victory. Thereafter, you will get the push, and no reason could stop that. Freelance modeling expectations. There's no structure or template for physical expectations in freelance models. However, if you're extremely beautiful and have a well-worked human body, plus an outstanding smile, it's going to help a lot, definitely. What is fantastic regarding freelance models is that they can certainly do the job in many sections of modeling: commercial, fitness, glamour, catalog, etc. In these modern times, as freelance model, you will get a whole lot of chances. One good advice is use the net. Locating your freelance modeling job is fast if you have a remarkable way of thinking. Get there early to every single season audition, respect your co-workers, and make as much associates as you can within the enterprise. Professionalism is an essential factor. Convinced clients will refer you. This way, you will definitely have a modeling job. Freelance modeling jobs. What is very good about turning into a freelance model is that while you don't have an exclusive contract signed with a modeling agency, you have the potential to be signed without exclusivity with different modeling agencies. These non-exclusive modeling organizations will find you work by getting you booked with clients. On the whole, the more non-exclusive modeling agencies you sign with, the more options to get you selected. What you will need to understand is that you will have to pay them a portion of the work they find you. On the other hand, these agencies are highly capable of obtaining for you great modeling rates. So right at the end, the cut they take won't have an effect on your income much. Model Mayhem webpage. In addition, you can come across modeling jobs by your own. You can do this through the use of the cyberspace. There is a tremendous webpage specialized in hunt for modeling auditions and castings for freelance models. www.modelmayhem.com. Join up there, create your profile, and include your contact data. Be sure you upload a lot of great photographs of yourself. It's useful that you make clear the kinds of work you are prepared to do and which ones you don't. Quickly, as you are in the internet site, you will see the casting section. Work with the search engine they have now there, so you can filter. Craigslist is also another site to look for modeling jobs or gigs. Please proceed with cautions with this site. Some posts are a scam. Freelance modeling rates. Rates for freelance models change, determined by each model. It's relating to the skills you hold what will maximize your rate. Yet, more than a few modeling gigs pay a determined rate, which is placed by the company who hires the model. In regards to photo shoots, you will have to consider the minute you will start off charging for them. If your level of experience is satisfactory, you have a brilliant portfolio and look, and you have some decent referrals, you can immediately ask for $50 per hour. This value can be tweaked in time. You will detect the instant it's the suitable moment to do it. Yet, take into account that if you became greedy, you might lose a handful of good work possibilities. The very best thing to accomplish is to measure your enhancement occasionally. Check your skills and pick out a rate that you come to feel is honest for your profile. Develop a freelance model site. Each and every freelance model should have her or his individual web page. Not only a Facebook page or a Tumblr account, a true site focused permanently to you. Something like www.yourname.com. Employ the service of a web page designer or firm with experience in forming individualized websites exclusively for models. They might well charge a fee for it. Nonetheless, in the end, it's worth each and every penny. Equally, be sure you make your Facebook, Model Mayhem, and Twitter profile. They will allow loads or visibility of you, thus conceivable chances. Take into account that you will have competition and they are currently executing all this social media work. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also make sure you join our 100% free modeling training mini course at www.topmodelingjobs.com.